have to virtualize, just like a typical and if rebooting the computer is required as when you're finished, you're now ready for the post-scan and you have to return to setup capture. You're now ready for the post-scan stage. In this stage, ThinApp will take a snapshot of the file system and registry. The selected user-accessible entry points displayed here, by default, ThinApp selects the internal entry points for troubleshooting purposes. You can limit access to specific Active Directory groups using this screen. You can change the access denied message for users who are not permitted to use the application. Isolation modes control whether the user can read from and write to physical locations on the computer from the virtualized application. Full write access allows a user to write to all non-system directories. Restricted write access allows the user isolation mode you selected in the wizard. ThinApp application is not a virtualized application. It persists with previously modified data. VMware is building a database of anonymous statistics about applications you virtualize. In the future, this data will help you to plan the inventory name will be used to determine which application. The primary data container is the main data file for the virtualized application. Each entry point requires this file to run. You can place the primary data container within one of the application entry points or in a separate .dat file. Select Generate MSI Package to easily deploy the virtualized application to remote desktops and create shortcuts and file type associations on those desktops. To reduce the size of the app, click this. Save your configuration settings. You can click Edit Package INI to further customize the application. You can also select Open Project Folder to browse and modify the list of captured files and registry keys. Click Build to generate executable files for